Hello, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Roshan Mare, and today it is 13 October 2021. So, today topic is linked list. Okay. So, what is linked list? A linked list is a class to user in the store the element and in provide the linked list and structure. Okay. So it is inherit the abstract list class and implement by the interface. So the importance of uh, linked list point. Okay, so the Java linked list can be contain the duplicate elements in form of the linked list, and the Java linked list is maintain the insertion order and to form the collect the area and reference variable from the linked list and linked list across the non-synchronized in this way to the linked list. Okay, so in the Java linked list class manipulation of because shift shift need to acquire in linked list in this way to the link in the store the element. Okay, so in this way to the linked list can be used in a stack and queues. Okay, or in way to the linked list. Okay, so in this way to the methods in the linked list to the double linked list insertion methods of the double links in form of the declaration of a linked list. Okay, so linked list it is used to construct the empty list in this form of the linked list and to use in collection. So constructor list in contain the elements of the specified the collection in order to the return by the collection in iterators in this form of the linked list. Okay, so linked list we have to add appear the specify element to end the list in this way to the uh, uh, in this way to the specify the element and specify the position of index of list. Okay, so in this way to the linked list linked list use can be appear from the conversion into the elements and store the value of the uh, situation in this linked list from the contents and methods of the useful of the elimination of the linked list. Okay, so we have to the linked list is used to the element in specify the collection of the at the end of the order by and return by the specify the collection and iterator of the linked list. Okay, so linked list in which to appear the all element and specify the collections. So the position of list in which used to the insertion and given the elements of an beginning the list of the linked list. Okay, so it which in which the clear the methods of the linked list in add first and add last methods and declares method cone method empty method and print methods. So in this way to linked list in contains methods, so index of method last index of methods and empty elements of method and get method set method. So number of methods are used in a uh, linked list. Okay, so get methods is used to the used to return the first elements of in the list. Okay, so we do the index of methods, it is used to return the index of the list of an the specify the elements in this way to the link in the elements of the occurrence the form of the contents. So we have to the linked list. Okay, so in this way to the linked list in which suggestion to the appear from the index of occurrence of the methods of the linked list and specify the elements of an does not contain the any elements in this way to the pair contents of linked list. Okay, so in this way to the boolean offers and linked list literal of last index of methods and which to the learn the occurrence the specify the index of the methods in which to the contains. Okay, so linked list in which does not contain the any elements of the store the value of the methods in form of the linked list. Okay, so in this way to the linked list and implementation of the linked list. Okay, so boolean insertion types of the iteratory empty methods. So a linked list. So the next is remove method. Remove method, it is used to retry the remove uh, of the first element and in of an last element of linked list. Okay, sir. Thank you.